Finally, my MBA examinations have ended, and this is a view of. After the examination, we went to check for the mark sheet, but unfortunately, we didn't get one. So I was doing some introspection of my memories, my action, what to do. I do that after any new beginning, ending, or any achievement of mine. I'm back from the college and I'm back into my comfortable clothes. So I'm selected for the last round of incubation fund, and now I will tell you how you can apply for incubation fund in DTO. So here first you need to go to DTOIF website, then you need to tap on programs, then in programs you need to select DTOIF incubation. Then you will get two types of formats. First is for application form, second is for presentation. You need to first download application format. So there are basic details that you need to fill in application format. For example, your business idea, and there are few more questions that you need to fill, and this is the form that you need to submit during applying. So second kind of a format is for last round of presentation that have few slides. This is a basic format on which you need to make your pitch deck. Now we would be going back to our home page. We need to tap on apply now. Then there are certain details that's it. Then you can submit your application. So now I would be showing you, once you are in the process, how will your application look like. So basically you can log in with your Gmail. I am already logged in. You can go to the application. Then there are 5 processes that you need to go through. So this is basically the PDF and the proposal. Basically the presentation format that we have submitted, it is the same thing. Then we have 5 stages of application. You can go through when you first submitted, what is the status, have you passed that round or not, till which stage have you passed. So personally I have passed the 4th round and I'm currently in the 5th round and I'm waiting for the results. So let me give you a quick tour. This is the floor at which our interview is being conducted. Okay, this is the place where you would be having in-person meeting with your mentor. So here is the mentoring room of DTO for Incubation Fund, and it is also a mentoring room. This is the area, and this is my proposal. This is the place for keeping your bags, and yeah, so this is the area for Incubation Fund. This is the area where they mentor us. अगर हो गया गलती से इंक्यूबेशन फंड में, फिर आगे का क्या करना?
बिल्कुल करना, मेरे को तो पूरा यकीन है इसमें हो गया। आप इसलिए डर रहे हो कि मेरा अगर हो गया मम्मा, मैं क्या करूँगी? क्या करोगी? बिजनेस करोगी और क्या करोगी? और मुझे तो पक्का है कि हो जाएगा, नहीं हो तो करो। मतलब मेरे को सुबह यही लग रहा था पक्का हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आप चाह नहीं रहे हो, आप चाह रहे हो कि ना हो, इसलिए पक्का हो गया।
लोग कहते हैं कि
हो जाए। मैं ये सोच रही थी, खाना बना रही थी सोई किचन में, और मेरे दिमाग में ये आ रहा था कि ये लोग कहते हैं हो जाए, डरते हैं, ये कहीं मम्मी का हो गया। मतलब मैं ये सरप्राइज हो रही थी, मैंने कहा फिर तो पक्का ही है। इंसान इस चीज को ज्यादा सोचता है, वो चीज
मतलब मैंने जनरली नहीं सोचा अगर हो गया तो करना क्या।
कैसे शुरू करते हैं, क्या
same day after my incubation fund, I sat for this conference willingly to see what discussion is going on. So in DTU, I was sitting in a cafe and somebody gave me this magazine, and what I found was article of my competition. But I'm little sad, DTU times. You mentioned the competition and everything, but you didn't mention my name or any picture of my winning. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I forgive you. So basically, I won a case competition in month of October 2025. It was Dreamforge 2.0, and here are a few pictures from the competition. So this would be a very long video, but I'm giving you a short story time. I met a random girl in the metro, and we end up winning case comp together on the same day that I met her. So this is long story short. I think I would need to make a different video for the whole story and how I was preparing for case comp. But for today, bye bye. Thanks for watching.